Looking for quality plumbing solutions that won't break the bank? Our team delivers expert services at fair prices throughout Euless and the DFW area. From leak detection to water heater repairs, we handle all your plumbing needs with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Plus, we're proud to offer special discounts for seniors and military personnel. Don't let plumbing problems drain your wallet. Our experienced team provides efficient solutions and honest pricing for every job. Call us today for more local plumbing services.